Today, we're breaking out the big dog, Pitmaker Sniper. Big old offset smoker. We're gonna light it up and we're gonna do some spare ribs on it. We'll run a single rack of ribs on it, but you boys can see how I light it, how I tend to the fire, how we keep her going. Anyway, let's rock these ribs. All right, guys, I'll give you a little tour of the pit. Here's our firebox. It's a big old boy, I tell you. You can rock some meat. These guys make some awesome pits. Down here in Texas, it's got a 3 latches. You can open the pit with one hand. And you got 3 trays that slide out. So you can roll some serious meat in this thing, and today we're just going to do a rack of ribs on it. So let that go for about 20 minutes or so, and I'll dump it in there. We'll be ready to rock. All right, gentlemen, I've dumped those coals in there. Got them nice and hot. All right, guys, we'll use this group of mini splits here as our reference. We'll start off with 2 of them, and we'll see how many sheets up. She's pretty fuel efficient, so probably won't use the whole stack. Put one in there like that. Put another one in there like that. I'll let those pieces catch on fire before I shut it down or close the door. Those logs are catching on. Let's see the time. 2:42. Get an idea of the time. And pit slowly starting to climb. I'm gonna shut the door and we'll watch her climb. All right, gentlemen, she's rolling smoke. Got her dialed in, sitting around 225. So we're gonna go grab those ribs and we're gonna throw them on. All right, boys. These are those spare ribs we got rubbed down. Got them rubbed down, got them marinating, just sitting there, kind of glazing over, letting the meat sweat a little bit. So yeah. We're gonna go through these on the Sniper. I'll meet you at the pit. Guys, let's open her up. One lash down. There she is. .403, still hanging out. A little light smoke. I don't know if you can see it. We're still working on those same 2 pieces of wood. Let's take a look. Go ahead and add a couple splits. Leave that door cracked, get them fired up. Said pit's still running right at 225, 404. She's crack-a-lacking. Open this bad boy up. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap these ribs. Just OJ and water is all I got working in here. Nothing too scientific. You know, these doors here, they're insulated. The top of the firebox is insulated. So, as you can see, handprints right there. So, it's a little warm, but it's not scalding hot. So, but yeah, she'll rise back up, and we'll be cooking. So, I'm gonna go in here and just kind of move some stuff around, see what we got in here. Probably could use another log. These just got cold up, so this one looks like a good one. It's already starting to catch. It's a beautiful thing. Just leave it cracked here for a second. And she'll climb right back up. Oh, and if you're counting, we've got 5 left. We've used 5. I think we had 10 in our stack off the jump. So, use 5. Still got the door cracked. And we're rocking and rolling. Here we are, gentlemen. Didn't take any time at all for that little mini split with the door cracked. Got one piece of wood in there, baby. She's moving right along. Huh? How you like them apples? Check in on the pit, see what she's looking like. Still holding strong. 538. Still got that one piece in there. Let's take a look. Yeah, probably need to poke her around. Yeah. Need to move her just a little heavier. Back at it. That's what I got my vent intake open up at. Let's see what you got here. There you go. I think you can see that. All right, guys. It's been about an hour since we put that last split. Temperatures dropped, so it's time for another little split. I think we're at 5. So let's go with this one right here. This will be our 6th piece of wood. That one cranked up, and we'll be rocking, so it'll catch. And like I said, I'll get my stick, stir those coals around. There it goes. Draw our temp right back up. So, like I said, it's been about an hour since we put that last piece on, so we're just slowly making our way through it. All right, guys, it's been about 15 minutes. Temperature on a little bit, but we got our one log going. I think I'm gonna go ahead and add another one to the mix. She's in there. She's going, but I'm gonna give it something else just to let it fester on. I'm gonna give it one more. That bad boy gets some of it. Take it along for that to get lit up and get going. Like I said, we're just over 200. That'll bring it up probably to 250. and we'll keep playing with it. Didn't take it long to catch. Crack-a-lackin'. I'll use that door shut. Watch her climb. Alright guys, let's give it a check again. She's blowing smoke. Let's see what she's sitting at. Yeah, just above 250. Got the door cracked. This is on that extra piece of wood put in there, so she's got two. Yeah, they're both going. Well, popping away. Probably go ahead and shut it now. I'm gonna check on those ribs. See, those ribs have been cooking for about the 3 hour and 15 minutes. I think they've been wrapped for about an hour and 15. So, all right, gentlemen, we're gonna look at those ribs. You open this pit up and we'll take a look. So I slide this guy underneath there. And if those ends are touching like that, these things are money. Let's unwrap these bad boys. I think that's going to be all right. Back out here at the Sniper boys. Pit's done climbed up. Got the door cracked. Still working those two pieces of wood. That's what we're working with. She's just puffing right along. You know, you do have to keep an eye on her. I've been out here probably checking on her every 15 minutes or so. You know, our fire's pumping, and I'm just trying to get it from any angle, and you can't hardly see it. But like I said, that fire's going. So we could probably add another stick if we want. And this will be stick number 8. Throw this one in there. It's just a feeder. So these ribs, it ain't gonna be long before they're done. Probably another, I don't know, 20 minutes. I'm just baking in that sauce. Check back with you. Let's take a look. See what we got. Well, got 2 pieces left. That's 8 pieces of wood we've used. A little dark outside. Yes, sir. Yeah. Like a diamond. It's got little facets everywhere. Alright guys, it's money time. I'll take one of these ribs here. It's for real. We're gonna check it. Real deal Holyfield.